To begin, go to the search bar and type in what you're looking for example, women pants. Tap on the search button and once the results appear, choose any product you'd like. For this demonstration, we'll select the first item. Once you're on the product page, you'll see the available sizes for the item, such as small, medium, large, or extra large. However, before choosing a size, it's recommended that you use the Size Helper tool to get more accurate guidance. Click on the Size Helper button to access it. Within the Size Helper, you can view size conversions and find what best fits you. You can switch the measurement units from centimeters to inches, which may be more familiar depending on your region, especially if you're in the United States. The tool also allows you to choose your country, such as the USA, United Kingdom, Europe, or Japan, for region-specific size information. After selecting your country, choose the type of clothing you're purchasing, for example, women pants. Once selected, the tool will display the appropriate size recommendations for your body measurements. You can adjust the unit to inches and view the best match for your measurements. Be sure to read the note provided at the bottom of the tool for extra guidance and clarity.